The annual meeting of the World Economic Forum will be held from January 16th to 20th in ڈیووس, Switzerland. Bورج, president of the WEF, said before the meeting that China's optimization of COVID-19 response will contribute to global growth.
What we hope for our annual meeting in Davos, where we also expect high-level Chinese participation, is that nations should again try to find areas to cooperate and not only work against each other. And China plays an important role in also bringing key stakeholders together. And also China has underlined the importance of continuation of trading with each other, something I think is very important. I think the opening up now of China will also lead to a lot more growth, at least at the end of 2023, because there's some immediate challenges that have to be handled. But overall, as I said, for late 2023 and 2024, we're very optimistic on growth in China.
Speaking of China's Global Development Initiative and the Belt and Road Initiative, Brent believes these are critical and consequential.
The Chinese leadership in establishing the new development banks, Asia Infrastructure Initiative, the Belt and Road, are important to drive also development in other emerging economies. We still need a lot of investments being in Africa, South Asia, Asia Pacific, but also in Latin America, and that China sends signals that it still will take responsibility for that is incredibly important.